St. Augustine of Hippo once asked, "What does love look like?" Responding to his own question, he says, "It has the hands to help others. It has the feet to hasten to the poor and needy. It has the eyes to see misery and want. It has the ears to hear the sighs and sorrows of men." That's what love looks like. As deacons, we've been called to intimate communion with Christ the servant, to whom we were configured on the day of our ordination. And this means that in sacred ecclesial service, that is, in ministry, we're called to be His hands, His feet, His eyes, and His ears. We're clerics who live a lay life, struggling at times to fulfill our vocation as we bear witness to the God who created us, to the God who redeemed us, to the God who sanctifies us. Because of this, all of us want to grow in holiness. We all want to draw closer to Jesus by integrating our diaconate more fully into our everyday lives, so that, despite our imperfections, He's revealed in concrete and powerful ways to those we're called to serve. Brothers, diaconal ministry is a ministry by deacons and for deacons to allow us to become more fully who we are through growth in the interior life. It provides ministry-specific resources and support to grow in our relationship to, our identity in, and our mission with Christ the servant, enabling us to more effectively exercise our ministry. That's what Diaconal Ministries is really all about. So if you are looking to grow in your diaconate by growing closer to our Lord, I welcome you to this ministry and invite you to use the resources provided so that together and in union with Him, we may better bear witness to Christ the servant, who came not to be served, but to serve, and give His life in ransom for the many.